Hello guys, today I'm going to be making this flag. It's not very hard. I'm using some leftover pieces of wood I had from the police flag. So if you'd like to see how I got to where I'm starting on this video, go back and check out my police flag video. It's got the blue, red, and white stains on it from mid wax. So if you want to do this flag, that's about your only cost in wood, and I do glue and staple it together. So just watch and see if it's something that you'd like to do. It's simple, and you can make between $20 to $40 on these flags. It depends on your area and if people want to spend. It's a lot easier to sell something cheaper like that than it is the bigger flags. They get that impulse buy. But anyway, check it out and see if it's something you think you can do. Thank you. Okay guys, here's the final product. Let me know what you think. Yeah, go ahead and try it yourself and send me some pictures. Let me see what you got going on. And if you like what you're doing, if you have any suggestions for me, please feel free to comment below and let me know. But thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.